It's a Sunday Fun Day. Today we're going to review our health savings account through M1 Finance. This is our spreadsheet for our health savings account, and so far in the year of 2021, we have fully funded our health savings. This is probably the number one health savings account hack. That is, your employer makes you cash out your PHOs at the end of the year. Hopefully you were lucky enough, like I was this year, to be able to cash those PHOs out and have them deposit 100%. It was actually more than 100% of all my PHO money into my health savings account. The reason I wanted to do this is that I would normally, when they cash them out on you, you end up paying a bunch of taxes on that amount of money. So if you have them put that right into your health savings account, you technically should never have to pay tax on that money. So I was able to fully fund my health savings account with the first paycheck of 2021. So we are currently sitting about 42% in cash. As far as purchases so far for 2021, we bought 3 shares of People's United Financial for $14.30 a piece. And that brings our total amount of PBCT up to 50 shares. And then we also added a share and a half of VOO to bring our total share count up to 3 shares of VOO. And currently I am just waiting to see if the stock market comes down a little bit, and then other than that, I'm probably just going to dollar cost average into these funds. I'm really having a hard time buying more of some of them because I have my dividend yield up pretty much over 5% on all of them except for Apple, Microsoft, and Vanguard. But I do feel like I need to get my money working because a lot of these stocks basically go up every year. So if I don't hurry up and buy, I feel like I'm going to miss out on some gains. As far as dividends, so far we've received $1.60 worth of dividends from Legg. And that's Leggett and Platt. And then we've received $7.84 from Franklin Resource. And with those dividends, that brings our total dividend amount up to $50.34. When I first started my health savings account, I was picking the dividend aristocrats that had a dividend yield of over 5 to 6%. So I was lucky enough with my first purchase to put all of my money into Leggett and Platt when it was only $29.62. I really wish I would have had more money in there because, as you can see, the stock has gone up quite significantly, which has brought the dividend yield down quite significantly. So, and it's just one of those things as a new investor, it's getting hard for me to pay more for something that I've already gotten for so cheap. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Here on Sunday Fun Day, we do review 4 different portfolios that we have. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe. If you want to see more investing videos, make sure you click the links on the screen or check out some of the videos in the sidebar. Thanks for watching.